Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some exciting news about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, set to take the world of ultralight drones to the next level. DJI is once again pushing the boundaries of drone technology, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to introduce groundbreaking upgrades that could redefine what's possible in a sub-250G drone. With leaks suggesting a potential summer 2025 release, let's dive into the major improvements and innovations coming to this drone. One of the most remarkable upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. DJI is rumored to be upgrading the sensor to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant leap from the 1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This larger sensor will dramatically enhance low-light performance, improve dynamic range, and deliver sharper, more detailed images. For drone photographers and videographers, this means professional-grade imaging in a lightweight, ultra-portable form factor. Night shots, high-contrast scenes, and aerial cinematography will see a noticeable improvement, making the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer for content creators. In addition to its improved camera sensor, DJI is rumored to introduce a re-engineered gimbal system that enhances stabilization while offering more flexible shooting angles. A standout feature is the ability to shoot in vertical mode natively, making it perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. This feature allows users to capture content specifically designed for mobile-first audiences, without the need for cropping or post-processing. Another exciting enhancement is the ability for the camera to tilt straight upward, unlocking new creative possibilities and angles that were previously impossible in the Mini series lineup. Range and flight time are two crucial factors for drone enthusiasts, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to excel in both areas. Reports suggest that the drone could have an extended range of up to 25 kilometers, allowing pilots to explore vast areas without losing connectivity. This improvement is particularly beneficial for adventure photographers, nature videographers, and professionals needing extensive coverage. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to boast an impressive battery life of up to 50 minutes, making it one of the longest-lasting drones in its category. Longer flight times mean fewer battery swaps, uninterrupted shoots, and more opportunities to capture stunning footage. Safety and obstacle avoidance are getting a significant boost with the Mini 5 Pro. The drone is rumored to include advanced LiDAR-assisted navigation, dual front-facing wide-angle sensors, and 2 inward-facing sensors designed to enhance obstacle detection. This will enable precise flight paths even in complex environments like dense forests, urban settings, or rocky terrains. With improved AI-powered tracking, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to navigate more intelligently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned drone pilots. One of the most intriguing leaks suggests the introduction of onboard audio recording, a feature rarely seen in consumer drones. This could allow for ambient sound capture, real-time commentary, or integrated voiceovers, adding a new dimension to aerial storytelling. Filmmakers and vloggers could greatly benefit from this feature, making their content more immersive and engaging. Additionally, the drone is rumored to include precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system for enhanced landing accuracy, even in low-light conditions. Artificial intelligence is playing a larger role in drone technology, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro is no exception. AI-powered subject tracking, automated flight paths, and improved obstacle recognition are expected to make capturing cinematic shots easier than ever. Whether automatically following a moving subject, executing complex aerial maneuvers, or adapting flight paths dynamically, the Mini 5 Pro will likely offer smarter automation that benefits both casual users and professional drone operators. Despite all these exciting upgrades, some uncertainties remain. Leaks from sources such as Digital Camera World and Drone XL suggest a summer 2025 release, but other reports indicate potential delays, possibly pushing the launch to late 2025. DJI has yet to make an official announcement, so while the Mini 5 Pro appears to be a revolutionary drone, it's always wise to take leaks with caution until confirmed details emerge. What is certain, however, is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to set new standards in the ultralight drone category. With a larger sensor, extended range, improved AI capabilities, and innovative design choices, this drone is shaping up to be a must-have for content creators, photographers, and drone enthusiasts alike. DJI continues to push the envelope, and the Mini 5 Pro could be their most ambitious mini-series release yet. That's all for today's deep dive into the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Techno Trend Zone.